Okay, guys, so this is our review of yesterday's assignment for today. So you may recall that we have our 5 lines that we call the music staff. Okay, remember from yesterday, we know that we are counting those lines from the bottom up. We also have 4 spaces that we count from the bottom up. And on that staff, we draw a symbol that we call the G clef. The G clef helps us to name the notes that are on the staff. We know that this right here shows us where G is. So any note that falls on this line, or the circle part of the note, whether it looks like this, or anything else, that circle part has that line going right through it. The name of that note is G. The question arises, when do we figure out the names for the other notes on the staff? Well, we use only A through G when we name notes. So that means that this G here is the end of one of our A through G cycles. Yesterday I talked about how it would help to know your alphabet backwards, and it does. So you have G here, the one right below it would be F, below that would be E. So we have E, F, G. Then we're going to start back up with A in this space here, B here, C here, D, E, and finally F. So that tells us what the names of each of the notes on the staff are. Recall that we know helpful sayings for these. The lines, we say every good boy does fine. And the spaces spell the word face. That should help you remember how to name each of the notes on the page.